In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make over $100 quick and fast selling puts on DJT stock. So far out of the money that if it goes that far, I will be happy to own the stocks no matter who wins the election. So let's get started. I use Tastytrade for all my selling put trade ideas. Jade Lizard, Iron Condor, doesn't matter. I trade on Tastytrade. I use Robinhood for yield max because I love margin. I use margin on both platforms for different strategies. So you're gonna go to Tasty, link below. If you're not a member, you just need to sign up, open an account, all that good stuff, and comment below the word Tasty if you want me to do some tutorials about the platform. You're gonna search the stock DJT. It drops today from like 50 to 40 bucks, 39. A lot of air is out. We are here. The Catalan channel times 8, usually times 2. I did 8, so I would know that this is supposed to drop, but I don't care because I sell so far out of the money puts that is just insane. And again, if I get a sign, great. It's like 70% drop from here. So what are we doing? In this page, you're gonna click on here. This is the chart, and the only important indicator that I care about, it's not RSI, it's not MACD, it's none of those. It's the ATR, average true range, right here. How far DJT stock moves on average in the last 14 days. We got the number right here, 4.5. 4.51. $4.51 is the price that DJT stocks moved up or down on average in the last 14 days. For one standard deviation, ATR standard deviation, I'm gonna take this number 451, I'm gonna multiply it by 8. Why 8? Because I want to get income now. I want $100 now. But the worst case scenario, it goes to 0. But if it drops so much, I will be happy to own the stock. That's fine. So I'm gonna click enter. I know the price is 36. 40 minus 36 is 4 bucks. Now I have my number 4 bucks to sell put options. I'm not gonna sell the 4. I'll probably sell the 10, 15, something like that. But I know that 8 times ATR, which is crazy, is $4. Now we're at 40. If it goes to 4, great, I'll own the stock. But I want to collect also 100 bucks. So I'm gonna go to trade, and I'm gonna go in the trading option chain. I'm gonna pick December. Why December? Because there's elections, and then the November option expire in 2 weeks. I don't do weekly. I like the monthly. It's just my own personal preference for different reasons. I'm gonna pick December 20, 51 days from here, right here, and Tasty gives us expected move. Tasty gives us expected move. What does it mean? It means that the stock should trade. The market makers assume that the trade, you see all this brown line, should trade in the next 51 days by option expiration anywhere between 65 on the call side at max to all the way here to 13 on the put side. Now can it go higher or lower? Of course, but this is the expectation, anywhere between 13 and 65. So I'm gonna sell the 13 put, one contract only, just to show you on this example. One contract only, so even a small account can do this. I'm gonna sell one put for the 13 put, which we are now at 40. It needs to drop. 40 to 13 is 70% drop. Can it happen? Sure. But if the stock drops 70% and go back to prices that it was like 2 months ago before the crazy run, yeah, I'll own some shares for the next maybe crazy run in the future, or just sell the covered calls against it. But as of now, I'm gonna sell the 13 puts and I'm gonna collect up front. This is your money. $163 right now. Okay, you need a buying power of 1,137. Why? Because this is actually a cash secured put. 13 minus your income is actually this. This stock is so volatile that even Tastytrade, that usually do like 10, 15, 20% buying power. They are doing now 100% buying power for this trade. So it's not a naked put selling, it's a cash secured put, but nonetheless, which means you can also do this on Robinhood, but you can collect $163 as of now. All you need is $1,137 is buying power. Every day this option decay by $4.67, meaning every day this price, the 163, will go down by almost $5, $5 for the next 50 days until it's worthless. Most likely a lot before that, after the election and after earnings right here. They also have earnings on November 8th. After that, they will probably just go sideways, or even if it drops 50% from 40 to 20, you still have 70% cushion from here. And then, yeah, I'll be happy to own 100 shares of DJT and just do the wheel and get rid of this on, or let it ride for the next wave. POP, this is important. Probability of profit 75%. Anything above 60 is good. 60, 65 is good. 75% chance that it will not reach $13. You got the expected move in here. This is the trade of the day. Feel free to subscribe and build this channel, and I will see you next time.